Okay, here's the cool techie part. Let's take you into the shower room. New toilet. Yes, that's what that toilet does. They automatically connect when you're inside this shower room. So, hey, you can have some fun taking a shower. Let's show you real quick the existing master bathroom and then we'll talk about what we have planned for this. Real quick, let's show you the final product here. Here's the floor, your vanity area. This vanity will be deleted. A new vanity will be installed. We're gonna remove all of these mirrors and light fixtures. Here is the floor. We've got 12-inch by 12-inch. Here's the new floor. The new vanity, and here's the shower, and here's the new shower. River rock, vertical mosaic, mitered niche, scribed porcelain. Keep calm and tile on. If you want to support my channel, buy yourself a shirt, link in the description below. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 36. This one's gonna be a good one. Large shower, walk-in, barrier-free, curbless. We're going to have river rock for the pan, cut flat. We're gonna have a river rock mosaic. Let's show you real quick the existing master bathroom and then we'll talk about what we have planned for this. Here's the floor, your vanity area, really quick. This vanity will be deleted. A new vanity will be installed. We're gonna remove all of these mirrors and light fixtures. Install some new decorative mirrors. Here is the floor. We've got 12-inch by 12-inch porcelain tile. We're gonna remove all of this flooring here. As you can see, it is already a barrier-free, curbless shower. We're gonna remove this panel. We're gonna keep the panel and reinstall it. Might as well. Save some money. Remove that cabinet, remove the toilet, replace it with a new toilet. And here's the shower. Definitely not a bad looking shower. It's clean. It's large. 2 niches on the valve wall here, but it is dated. This was built in 2005, and that's just how the name of the game goes. Styles and designs come in and then they go. So the shower's about 15 years old. It is gonna go, and it's going to look much more modern. 12 by 24 high gloss rectified porcelain on these walls. We're going to install a 12-inch by 24-inch niche on this back wall, and the shower pan will also be river rock mosaic. That bench will be deleted. Day 1, demo day. Let's get to work. Bath and shower, tile ideas. Here we go. Okay, demo is done. Took 2 hours, 2 guys. Let's show you what's underneath all of this. It was actually fairly easy. The 12 by 12-inch tiles on the floor were not back buttered. They mainly popped off one full piece at a time, so that was fairly easy. But let's show you the shower room. Still got a little more to demo, but let's show you what we have planned for design idea. Here we go. So here's the floor. Removed all the tile here. Remove the tile in the closet area. This vanity will be deleted. You walk in here, you've got the barrier-free shower pan. The way that they built this was A little different, they installed 1/2-inch drywall and then 1/2-inch Durock over it. They did not waterproof any seams penetrations. They used roofing nails, but everything was dry as a bone. So again, we're going to install a 28-inch niche on this back wall. We're going to replumb a new valve. Of course, we have to run some plumbing over here for our handheld sprayer. So here's the design. We are going to run this cut flat river rock mosaic vertically all the way up to the ceiling. We're going to run the river rock up onto the sill or shelf in the back of the niche, on the top, and all the way up to the ceiling. And we are going to miter the top and the bottom of the niche. We're going to miter this river rock, connect all the rocks, matchbook look. It's going to look amazing. And lastly, we're going to install this 12 by 24 porcelain on both sides, and we are going to scribe every piece of porcelain all the way up to the ceiling so that this river rock fits into the porcelain like a puzzle. It's going to look fantastic. It's going to be a beautiful, large feature on the back wall of this shower. So we got to get to work, do some more demo, pull this valve, install a new valve, do some plumbing, do some waterproofing. Here we go. What's up, guys? Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 36. Real quick, let's show you the final product here. Okay, guys, so here is the remodel. All of you tech builder geeks out there are gonna like this. A lot of cool, fun technology in this bathroom, but let's first start, like usual, with the floor. 12 by 24 rectified porcelain, 1/16 inch grout joints, 33% offset for the layout. The floor is flat. Tile leveling system was used on this floor for a superior install. We've got our new cabinet here, our new Carrera solid surface top. We've got undermount sinks, faucets. Now keep in mind, guys, we installed everything on this build except for the cabinet and the top. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Chrome faucets, cool little LED mirror. We installed a large wall-to-wall mirror. We installed new decorative lights up top, as you can see there. Swapped out the old 5-inch can light with an LED retrofit. New switches on dimmer. Okay, here's the cool techie part. Let's take you into the shower room. New toilet. Yes, that's what that toilet does. Got a bunch of settings here. This seat heats up. It has a dryer. It does spray water on all parts of your bottom controller here, so you can control everything. It's got sensors, so it automatically opens up when you walk in. Press this button there. Opens the toilet seat automatically. Press that button again, close the toilet seat. And this is on a timer, 60 seconds. This will automatically close just like that. By Toto. This toilet ran about $1,700. Again, button, and flush. Let's bring you on up in the corners here. We've got 2 decorative lights in the shower room. Also installed 2 Sonos wireless Bluetooth speakers. Install some outlets back there. Really simple. You download a Sonos app and you can play music. These are always on. They automatically connect when you're inside this shower room. So, hey, you can have some fun taking a shower with some solid quality speakers by Sonos. Here is the beautiful shower. We've got a barrier-free, as you can see right here, Riverwalk cut flat for the pan. This is the original glass panel that we reinstalled. We've got our new valve installed on the right side, shower head on the left side. And this is a push button valve, as you can see here. Same thing with the handheld. So a lot of work was put into the shower. We were given full reign of design. We've got a large, beautiful feature wall here on the back wall of the shower. I'll show you some of the detail work here. We've got scribed porcelain. As you can see, the radius was cut to accept the river rock all the way down on both sides. Here's our large 28-inch niche. As you can see, we mitered all of this cut flat river rock here. So it folds over, matchbook style, sides, top, and bottom. Everything is all sealed up. Prism was the grout that we used. Field wall tile, we have 12 by 24 high gloss rectified porcelain. Again, 1/16 of an inch for the grout joints. We have our layout at a 33% offset. We chose to go straight pattern on the back wall. And again, you've got your 33% offset over here. We have our Schluter drain kit. The shower was waterproofed via Schluter. Of course, we've got our handheld sprayer here. Shower head here. It is adjustable. The trim that we used, Schluter Jolly, for the window as well as the sides of the shower. We also installed a new vent fan up here. Skim coated the walls, sprayed the texture. I mean, everything we did personally from start to finish. So again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Again, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.